Let me share with you the documents I prepared and the process I did to replace my mutilated passport. So, ito na nga ang nangyari. Na-discover ko na nalubog sa baha ang aking passport 10 days before my flight. After confirming na hindi na talaga pwedeng gamitin ang aking passport, I immediately booked an appointment online and thank God I was able to secure an appointment that Monday. And here are the documents I prepared: affidavit of mutilation, valid ID, PSA birth certificate, at yung mutilated passport. You can also check DFA's website for additional documents na kakailanganin ninyo. At sa pag-process naman, ito yung mga binayaran ko. Passport fee, 950, expedite fee, 250, penalty, 350, total, 1,550 ang binayaran ko. At dahil taga Palawan pa ako, it will still take 7 working days for expedite processing. Kaya right after makapture ang aking photo for my passport, nag-fill out pa ako ng transfer release application form to DFA Asiana dahil mas mapapabilis kung doon ko ipaparelease ang aking passport. So nagpagawa din ako ng SPA para sa friend ko na kukuha ng aking passport. And within 4 working days, ready for pickup na ang aking passport. And thank God, dumating ang aking passport a day before my flight. Hope this helped, and follow for more travel tips.